DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking boats today, working on a 3.0 liter Mercruiser inboard engine / GM engine. And in today's video, we're going to replace the oil pressure sender. Let's get started. Inside the garage now, in DLRs, what we like to do is cut all electrical power to the system and at an absolute minimum, remove the black negative cable from your battery. We have all of the cables removed from the battery because we are doing additional DIY repair videos, including replacing the starter and more, starter solenoid, relay, and again, a lot more. However, down inside there is the oil pressure sender. Going into a closer view, and again, there is the oil pressure sender. In the event that your engine is running and your oil pressure gauge is not registering any pressure, 9 times out of 10, it is this sender as opposed to a failed pump. Failed pump would not be good. We have a small nut holding an electrical wire on, and the actual sender or canister screws into the block. Camera position, and again directing our attention to the small black canister that screws into the engine block, aka your oil sender. And on the tail end or back end, we have a 10mm nut securing an electrical wire. We are going to ever so carefully loosen and remove that nut. Do your absolute best not to damage any electrical wiring or any parts in the surrounding area as you do this. That would not be good. And we've got a small washer as well as the electrical wiring or connection. I'll carefully remove those. And I've got a large washer on the back and a small washer in the front. From there, coming to the inner side of the canister or sender and using a 9/16 wrench and seat it on the actual insert. And I've got it on there. And from here, I'm just inserting some paper towel. You never know what will come out as you remove this sender. And that part is not supposed to come out with the sender, so I need to separate these two. Making progress, I carefully separated the fitting from the old sender, as you see. I'm going to use a wire brush to clean the thread. We've made our way inside the workbench, and DIYers, we are always busy here, and in front of us now is the brand new Quicksilver OEM sender. Let's go and open it. Here it is out of the box, and DIYers, down below in the comments and description will be a link to this brand new OEM part as well as all the tools used in today's video. And you will notice a small little pinhole on the threaded stud right there. Back inside the boat with a brand new sender and that fitting, and again a wire brush. I'm going to clean up that thread. As well as the little opening there. Ensure it is not clogged or full of debris. And from there, I'm coming in with Loctite 243. DIYers only use 243 because this is used specifically to withstand oil, and that's your oil pressure sender. And that's basically all I need, and allow it to run down. And as you can see, it's blue. I'll cap that off. It's pretty runny, just be careful, don't be sloppy. From here, coming in. I noticed this is an 11/16 in size, so carefully tighten these in place. Don't over tighten them. Back to the engine, I also added a little bit of Loctite 243 to that side of the fitting or thread, and do not cross thread this inside the engine. That would be terrible. It should screw in extremely easily. If it's not, go ahead and back it out by turning it counterclockwise, reset the thread, and begin turning it clockwise to tighten it. Tighten it first by hand. Do your best not to damage that threaded stud. Coming in with a 14mm wrench to continue tightening it. Two different camera angles. The brand new oil pressure sender is fully secured, coming in with the larger washer, and do my absolute best not to drop them. Followed by the electrical wiring and the small washer. And I will hold that in place. And come in with the nut. Sorry I'm getting in your way. Followed by ever so carefully tightening it. Do not over tighten this. You don't want to snap that threaded stud, but you want it snug. From here, double check everything, and if all looks good, you can resecure the cables to your battery and restore electrical power, and start your engine and see if your oil pressure begins to register on your gauge. And again, in most cases, it will. And DIYers, down below in the comments and description will be a link to our playlist that includes so many helpful DIY repair videos on every single part we have replaced on this engine and boat. And that will include starter relay, ignition coil, plugs, wires, distributor, water pump, pulleys, alternator, and again, everything, including a full out-drive rebuild. Definitely check that link out. You may find very helpful videos in that list. Thanks again for watching.